What's up, internet marketers? Like Paul from internetmarketinggym.com. This video is about video robots, some tips and tricks that I'm starting to learn about I'm using to create videos with. This really goes into your media library. That's what I want to talk about today. You can get nice images that with transparent backgrounds that you're going to need for your whiteboards, your kinetic animations, and for your avatars. And you can get all of these at Pixabay, but there's a little twist. A lot of people don't know how to use Pixabay correctly to get these great images. So I'm going to show you right now. Let's say I'm looking for, I don't know, an image of a king. And go, I'm going to pick king, right? Just like that. You want to go to color. This is really important, and click transparent. You're gonna click go for that, okay? And then you're gonna click illustration, okay? So now you have all these images of, for example, if you're looking for a king, these are all public domain. You're free to use them for commercial purposes to sell these to your sell these in your video when you sell them to your the small local businesses that these videos are being made for. You can get these images that you can use that you can install into your videos with transparent backgrounds, okay? And another thing here, when you download, you're gonna want to download at like the smallest file, okay? Because you don't want it too big, because it might give problems to your video robot when you're creating the videos. You want it as small as possible. Another thing you want to do with with these images off of Pixabay, you might want to get backgrounds. If you want to get a background to something, you're going to want to go to orientation, click horizontal, and click for example images. Oh, sorry, not images. Excuse me, photos. Okay, horizontal photos. And let's say, for example, you're looking for something to do with blogs, for example. Now you have all of these horizontal photos. This is two tips and tricks for number one, to get transparent images for your whiteboard or kinetic animations with Video Robot. You're going to want to do this. And if you want some really cool backgrounds, make sure you click on photos and horizontal, okay? And you get some nice backgrounds that you can use for your public domain backgrounds that you can use for your Video Robot videos, okay? So I hope you enjoy these little tips and tricks. Very simple stuff, but a lot of people don't know how to use Pixabay to get those images. So I hope you like this video. This is Like Pause saying, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Yo sigo ganando y sigo gozando.